Hi guys, today I got a box the super block, so really big for me get building. Let's go open this up and see what's inside. Looks like we gotta open. We got this and this. Oh, I got mini figurines to me playing. Looks like I got the super mini one. Looks like it's a super minis. Don't worry, I get it open. We make concert again. I'm so really sad. Let's go cut enough. Whoops. We got our silver rod. Let's go cut another silver rod.
Be careful.
And time to cut again.
Be careful.
And cut. And then cut. We have to open this up. No more.
Hey, close.
I don't mean this too sad. Let's go put it out. I got to hurry. Let's go open this now. Now let's open the blind bags. So blind beauty. Oh, I get a favorite. This me. I got this one. The pretty ones. Let's go just like that. Look, I got a man. It's so really cute. Hello, I'm man. Let's go get a man's favorite. Man. This one. Oh, I got the Jubbles. Go Jubbles. This. He loves Jubbles. Let's go get the Jubbles. Jubbles flowers.
And duck.
And duck.
Where is your duck?
Look like it's really excited to have a shovel. This, the box, the tools. This one, we have a box. This to put this up. Have a rubber duck. Let's put rubber duck inside the toy box. We need to not have a figurines. Just that figurines. Figurines empty. Look like this figurines is so empty. Not have again. Okay, I just do it. This looks like, let's press this up. Looks like this is nothing to put in the rubber duck. And the shovel near and the man. Oops, man is not pressing. I'll go like this.
Oh.
Head is open and this is
Oh.
this looks like a head.
Oh my head.
Head is opened again. Let's put this up. This looks like point, like a job of the ear. Let's go like this. Look like toast is not open. wants to sit at the top. Okay, I can sit. My cutie little dolls. Little place like this. Super block. Let's put shovel in there in the playset. It's so hard. Let's put it back. This. I just have to open this up and put them
Put inside.
inside the toy box. Two toy block buildings. Toy block buildings. One. This is the blocks. The toy blind
Put
bags.
zipper.
Like this. Close and close and stop. Oops. I just made it. Now I want to play Stickerboard.
And then say bye bye.
Bye bye. I want to play.